As you get older, circulation issues tend to rise gradually. It usually starts small. You might notice cold feet, heavy legs, or a little numbness and tingling. Then one day, you might just notice your walking isn't quite as steady as it used to be, and that's the warning sign most people miss. But here's the good news. There's a simple cure. Just one drink can kickstart your circulation in just a few hours. It's pretty straightforward why circulation decreases once you hit 60. Your body just isn't making enough nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps your blood vessels stay open and relaxed. When it's running low, your arteries pinch up and your legs just don't get enough oxygen. Most advice just deals with the surface issues. You should walk more often, put your feet up, take a chill pill. That helps a bit, but it doesn't really get to the heart of the issue, does it? The drink that actually targets the cause is beetroot juice. Beets, you see, are absolutely full of natural nitrates. When you drink beet juice, your body changes those nitrates into nitric oxide. When nitric oxide goes up, your blood vessels get wider, and blood can flow easily once more. Lots of folks notice their feet feeling warmer right on the first day. You should feel the cramping ease up in just a few days. In just a few weeks, walking feels better and more steady. Here's how you do it right. Start your day by drinking 8 ounces of plain beetroot juice right when you wake up, before you've eaten anything else. No sugar added. Give it a go for 30 days and just notice the effect it has on your legs.